Open up Epson Edge Print. And now we're going to click on the Add button in the top left and select our print file. Give it a couple seconds to load. And then on the right side here on the screen, we have our basic settings and our layout settings, which we want to cover today. So we're going to click on Basic Settings. Here we can select our media name. We can select our order of layering and our print quality. So for the order of layering, we have here single layer, dual layer, which is color and white, or white and color, and or color and varnish, or even triple layer, where we want to print white, color, and varnish on top. But today we're just going to do a simple print on white acrylic, so I'm just going to select single layer color only. The print quality 12 pass, then we have 16 pass, and then we have the 12 pass wide gap mode and the 16 pass wide gap mode, which I'm going to cover in a separate video. So for today we're going to leave it at 720 DPIs and at 12 pass. And then we're going to click on layout underneath the basic settings. Here we can change the size and the positioning of our print file. I want to print it about 4 inches wide, and Epson Edge Print is automatically scaling it down proportionally, so this one ends up being a little under 1 inch. We can change the position on our printing area. We can move it horizontally and vertically. So if I add here a couple inches, it moves over to the left, or vertically, if I add 2 inches, it moves 2 inches to down. I'm going to leave both at 0, 0. And before you print a file, make sure to run a nozzle check and measure the height of your item you want to print your file on. That's basically it. Once I've changed the size and selected my layer settings and print quality settings, I'm going to print here, click on the print button, and Epson Edge Print is going to rip the file and send it over to the printer. And that's it.